गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल नौहट्टा श्रीनगर में आज बाल दिवस कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया। 56 स्कूलों ने इस कार्यक्रम में भाग लिया। बच्चों ने कश्मीरी राफ प्ले जैसे विभिन्न सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों में भाग लिया और कश्मीरी गीत गाए। इस आयोजन में बच्चों के अधिकार, देखभाल और शिक्षा पर ध्यान केंद्रित किया गया। इस कार्यक्रम में निदेशक स्कूल शिक्षा कश्मीर तसद्दुक हुसैन शामिल हुए।
Organize this Children's Day. I think it is a very novel attempt when you take into cognizance that these are government schools, and today we have tried something I think that has been done for the first time, that all the 56 schools that are operating in our zone have been given a common platform to perform on this event, and even the primary schools are participating in this. They've really worked hard, and you know that today we say that there should be an all-round development of the child, and when you take into cognizance the government schools, I think before this we were not coming to the forefront like we should have been, but now everything is being changed. Educational policy, these things are getting their due place, and today our children have really put in a lot of efforts. Their teachers have really worked hard, and they have left no stone unturned to come up to this platform and perform to the expectations of the teachers and whatever is expected of the students at this level.
डे है वो हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। वो हमें अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का मौका मिलता है उसमें, और मैं भी इस शो में मैंने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया है। मैं रस्म मीर बना हूँ, और मेरे स्कूल का नाम है गवर्नमेंट बॉयज़ मिडिल स्कूल मालका।
गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल